Who is Mujtaba Khamenei? Is he going to be the next supreme leader of Iran amid these conflicts and crises? Starting from the 1979 Islamic Revolution that led to the ascension of Ruhollah Khomeini, then Ali Khamenei, and now his second younger son, Mujtaba Khamenei, who is a second level or mid-level cleric, not above his father, not yet an Ayatollah Khamenei. I do remember that Ayatollah is a term or a label that is granted in under special circumstances to a person based on his expertise regarding the fiqh, Islamic jurisprudence and exegesis of Quran translation. Mujtaba Khamenei, who is 57 years old, a mid-level cleric, not yet an Ayatollah, it's still in a greater spotlight as being the younger son whose wife, whose sister, whose mother and whose father has just been martyred in the US-Israeli venture or intelligence mission conducted on Saturday in Tehran, is now in spotlight because there are greater chances that he is going to be the next supreme leader of Iran. But in case if he is the next supreme leader of Iran, one thing that does become certain is that there are going to be no negotiations in the shorter or at least in the nearby terms as far as the Iran and Israeli relations are concerned in the Middle East, and Iran and US relations are concerned on the world stage politics. Mujtaba Khamenei was able to develop close ties and relations with the inner and significant circle of Iranian Revolutionary Guard Corps (IRGC), his father, associates and significant authorities on one hand, and on the other hand he was also among the Habib group of the IRGC in his 30s and 40s when there was Iraq-Iran crisis going on in 1980s and in 1990s. As Bloomberg mentioned it last year that Mujtaba Khamenei was associated or affiliated with Ali Ansari, the owner of Ayandeh Bank of Iran. One thing you do need to understand is that Ayandeh Bank was dissolved by the Iranian state last year because it was forcibly dissolved because of the lump sum amounts of monies that went inside and out of the Iranian territory with unnamed and synonymous insiders. And this purpose, the Mujtaba Khamenei's name attached to Ali Ansari also became a matter of investigation for common man and for few authorities within the Iranian government. One thing you do need to know more about Mujtaba Khamenei is that he was not on the stage of politics, he was not on the stage of sermons or even on Friday prayers. Even the interesting fact is that more of the multitude of Iran has not even heard his voice for once because he was that much reserved with his feelings, with his emotions and with his appearance on the stage and in front of camera. Another attractive fact about now this debate whether Mujtaba Khamenei is going to be the next Iranian supreme leader is that he did not or has still not asked for the leadership. In fact, he's being called for it, even though he still has expressed his reservations with being the supreme leader, the upcoming supreme leader of Iran, because he's saying that it will be reminiscent with the Pahlavi dynasty that was before 1979 Islamic Revolution, a precedent this revolution or Khamenei family does not want to set. But still, there is a bigger and huge consensus among the common man, the authorities, the Chief Justice, the Chief Justice, the Chairman IRGC, and the President of Iran, that greater are the chances that Mujtaba Khamenei would be convinced to be the upcoming supreme leader of Iran. What do you think about about this? What are your guesses? Will he say yes to this challenging leadership or Iranian supreme leadership after his father? We are eager to hear that your opinions and guesses in the comment section. Do tell us. Thank you.